Alright, so I got this little staple that I made, but if you look at it, it's a little sharper in the corners than what I have because of the curves that I used. So I want to just take a minute to try to tighten things up just a bit. I'm going to push one on my keypad to get a straight on view. I'm going to go into edit mode, and maybe I'll just grab one of these corners. Alright, and then what I think I'll do is, let's make sure that proportional editing is on. And I'm going to go ahead and push G to grab. Now I should be seeing a circle, but the circle is too big. So I'm just kind of rolling my wheel, and you can see in the upper left hand of my screen the proportional size is shrinking. So hopefully in the next, there we go. So now that's the area of influence that we'll have. Now let me just kind of zoom in a bit on there. And now if I go ahead and grab this and just kind of move it up and out without getting too crazy, maybe I'll make the wheel a little bit bigger. And just kind of play with that a little bit. I'm not trying to do anything too crazy. I just want to tweak that a little bit so that I get a little bit sharper corner. And I might do it a couple of times. So I might grab again, this time smaller area of influence, and just tighten it up a bit. Something along those lines so that we get kind of a tighter looking corner. A little bit, things change scale wise. You can see that this got a little bit narrower. But maybe what I do there is I'll turn proportional editing off, grab those vertices, and just kind of move them back out a bit. But just something like that. If we look at it in this mode, the corner's just a little bit tighter. I might do something similar in a couple of the corners just to tighten that up a little bit and make it look a little bit more like this.